Hi guys, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can enable your mic while you're recording your game in Steam. So guys, if you don't know how to enable your mic while recording in game, then this video is for you. So guys, just go ahead and tap on the Steam option, which is right at the top over here, and just tap here, and now you can see preferences. If you're using other devices, you might see it as settings, but if you're using MacBook, you will find preferences over here. Just go ahead and tap there, and now you would be in this page. And after you're here, just look at these buttons and you can find game recording right here. Just go ahead and tap here, and as you can see, the recording has been turned off over here. So it is your choice on how you want to record it. So if you want to record it in the background, select this, but if you want to record manually, then you can select this. So there are also other options. Scroll down, just select the recording quality that you want, the shortcut keys. If you're not comfortable with these, then you can just edit them and use your choice. There's also the recording folders option. If you want them to be recorded in a different folder, you can also do that. There's also options of video recording, and right at the bottom you can find record microphone. So if you turn this on, you have successfully enabled your mic while you're recording game in Steam. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.